14 countries where people smell the worst. 1. Pakistan. What you eat can affect how you smell. Pakistan is a top spice producer. Spices are cheap and plentiful there, so Pakistanis add them whenever they can. Strong-smelling spices can show up in sweat. That's because they contain sulfur. 2. Brazil. With the hot and humid climate, sweat lingers easily in Brazil. Deodorant isn't as common in South America. Brazilians don't see natural scents as a problem. Foods like beans and cabbage contribute as well. 3. India. Spicy cuisine and a dense population are the culprits for India's inclusion on this list. The people are not consciously being unhygienic. 4. Russia. Russians often have unhealthy diets. Salads swim in mayo. Popular foods include breads, meats, and potatoes. Foods like cabbage can also worsen the odor. 40% of the population smokes. Besides, cooler weather means scents linger on clothing. 5. France. The French diet is rich in onions, garlic, and cheese. The French also smoke more than other Europeans. A survey shows that they don't like to shower. 43% of French men and women don't shower daily. 25% shower once every 48 hours. 11% shower every 3 days. 6. Spain. The Spanish diet and heat make body odor more pronounced. The Spanish love garlicky seafood, onion-loaded tapas, and cured meats. They are also more laid back about body odor. 7. Mexico. Spicy foods, heat, and limited water access mean body odor is prevalent. The Tzotzil of Mexico don't use deodorant at all. They replace it with flowers, herbs, and clay. The Dakotas also use plants for hygiene. 8. China. China has a massive population. East Asians typically sweat less, but spicy cuisine, humidity, and air pollution can all impact body odor. 9. Nigeria. Due to poverty and a lack of access to sanitation, body odor is more noticeable in Nigeria. Hearty dishes like egusi soup enjoy cross-cultural fame. The culture does not emphasize deodorants either. 10. Cambodia. Cambodia is a very humid place. The average annual relative humidity is 78%, so sweating is inevitable. 11. Iraq. Iraq has a hot desert climate and spicy food. Spicy kebabs, hummus, and paprika are staples, but the smells of sweet tobacco and strong coffee are stronger than any BO. 12. Saudi Arabia. Arabs do not cover up body odors completely. They don't deodorize or wear perfume on a daily basis, but they do have special purification rituals. The purifying agent is always water. 13. Nepal. Deodorant is not a common thing in Nepal. You can only find it in a few places. It's more popular among city dwellers and wealthier folks. Most Nepalese do not use it at all. 14. Iran. In 2014, an Iranian named Muhaji was named the world's smelliest man. He defeated an Indian for the title. Muhaji lived in the isolated town of Dashga. He avoided bathing for over 60 years. He hated the water, but the locals convinced him to shower. After all, Mu died a few months after bathing for the first time. He was 94 years old.